What's the meaning of cooling off period? Cooling off period. Cooling off period.
Cooling off period. Cooling off period. A cooling off period is a designated span of time when individuals can reconsider their decision or cancel a contract without penalty. The length and conditions of the cooling off period vary depending on the type of transaction and the jurisdiction. During this period, there may be restrictions on the actions that can be taken or fees that may apply. Ultimately, the purpose of the cooling off period is to give individuals a chance to change their minds and avoid making rash decisions that they may later regret.